New tonight, a meeting happening right now over a long-awaited decision on a highly contested behavioral health hospital in the South Bay. First proposed nearly 3 years ago, the city council must now decide whether to grant an appeal of the project or allow it to move forward. Fox 5's Kasha Gregorczyk is live in Chula Vista with the latest developments and arguments from both sides. Kasha.
Hey, Kathleen, and this is certainly the story of the night here at Chula Vista City Hall. This discussion now lasting more than 5 hours. Still, a decision has not been made. I can tell you that there are 5 city council members, and just based on the comments they made before going into a 10-minute recess, it appears that 3 council members are in favor of the appeal and 2 are in favor of the hospital moving forward. But again, that vote hasn't officially happened just yet. Here are some of those arguments we did hear throughout the evening, again, from both sides of this issue.
They're about to execute another agreement. The conditional use permit is an agreement with another multi-billion-dollar for-profit company, and we have no faith that they're going to be able to execute an agreement that's the best for the city and the best for the residents.
Chula Vista residents have been rallying against the proposed Eastlake Behavioral Health Hospital for nearly 3 years now.
We have concerns over an inadequate elopement and security protocols. We have concerns over insufficient physical security and barriers and unarmed security.
The latest effort by community group Chula Vista Safe is an appeal after the Planning Commission approved the hospital's conditional use permit back in November. Support for the project, led by Acadia Healthcare, was expressed by healthcare partners Scripps Health and the man who sold the property.
We have 823 available beds in all of San Diego County. To meet our needs, we would need to more than double the number we have today.
This is not a long-term treatment facility. This is not an insane asylum, or as they call it, a psychiatric ward. This is a facility that has and offers, 5 to 7 day treatment programs.
Concerns have persisted over the location near a neighborhood and schools, as well as Acadia's reputation at other healthcare facilities across the country, while Acadia says they've gone above and beyond to assure this location is right.
United States Attorney announces $17 million healthcare fraud settlement. CYFD puts youth group home on admissions hold amid escapes and violence.
The project is consistent with the existing final EIR for the Eastlake specific plan. Nevertheless, we chose to prepare a full environmental impact report in anticipation of opposition.
Again, it has been a long night with long presentations from both the hospital and the residents who are against this. A lot of public comment and a lot of things for the council to weigh. Again, at this hour, looking like 3 council members are in favor of the appeal, 2 in favor of the hospital. But again, they are on a recess, so they should be back here in about 5 or so minutes, and then the vote sometime shortly after that. But it has certainly been a long evening, and we'll keep you posted with those results as soon as we get them.